This might be the most intense pruning job I've ever done. For months, these apple trees have grown wild, tangled, chaotic, completely out of control. But today, with spring just around the corner, that all changes. Let's grab the right tools. Hand pruners for tiny twigs, loppers for thicker branches, a pruning saw for the serious cuts. And for the record, no, you can't just karate chop the branches off. When it comes to apple trees, the best branches for fruit production are typically 2 to 4 years old. These branches are strong enough to support fruit, but not too old to be less productive. However, not all branches are created equal. Spur-bearing trees produce apples on short, knobby spur branches, while tip-bearing trees grow apples at the ends of branches. Cutting too many fruit-producing branches can lead to fewer apples. Observe your trees and learn their fruiting patterns. Branches that point toward the ground are like a lazy roommate, hanging around but not helping. Think of your trees like introverts. If some branches are reaching too far into their space, it's time to give them a little pruning and respect their neighbors' boundaries. Overly long branches also steal energy and can break under the weight of fruit. If it's weak, sick, or lifeless, it's gotta go. Those fast-growing vertical twigs sap energy but don't produce much fruit. Say goodbye. Branches shouldn't be crossing, rubbing, or competing for the same space. If two branches are too close and growing parallel, remove one to maintain balance. Your tree needs sunlight like Gen Z needs Wi-Fi. Remove branches that crowd the middle or grow inward. They just block light and tangle things up. Don't leave awkward stubs, they'll just sprout new shoots and make a mess. Cut branches cleanly at the base, but don't go too deep into the trunk or main branch, just enough for a smooth healing process. If you're using a pruning saw, start with a small cut on the opposite side of the branch before sawing through normally. This little notch stops the branch from tearing off unexpectedly if it's heavy or under tension. A clean cut equals a healthier tree. Last season, cutting the grass here was a nightmare, and now the blueberries are growing taller, so I'm removing these branches to give the blueberries more space and make mowing way easier for me. Want new branches to grow in a certain direction? Make your cut just above a bud that's pointing the way you want the branch to grow. This helps shape the tree naturally and prevents awkward, messy growth. Some people say sealing cuts with a tree sealer is great for the tree, while others say it's unnecessary and can even cause issues. Personally, I've done both, sealed some cuts and left others unsealed, and my trees are doing just fine. The key is to observe your trees and see what works best for them. Previously, I made the mistake of pruning blueberries during a drizzle. Wet conditions can make cuts less clean and the plant becomes more vulnerable to disease. This time, I made sure to wait for better weather, dry and calm. Always check the forecast before getting started. Yeah, these trees looked like they just woke up from a 10-hour nap. Pruning is basically a haircut for trees. If we don't prune, apples stay sad and tiny. Sunlight can't reach the fruit, and branches grow in all the wrong directions.